Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here today. I have a bunch of makeup that just little things that I've gotten from like Amazon, Target, Tarte, Ipsy. Anyway, several products here from different places that I've tried or picked up, and I just wanted to share what I have and maybe some reviews or whatever on them if I have them. So let's get to it. Here's the box, goodies, and anyway, let's get to it. All right, friends, glad you're here. Thank you for your support. I thank you to my subscribers, and those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I'd love it if you would, and hit the like button and leave me a comment. Do those things that support my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so the first item, I don't even know where to start here. I think I'm gonna go to some stuff I got from Ipsy. Now, okay, so the first thing, I'm just gonna start with something little. These, I think I paid $3.50 for two little lotions, hand lotions, which I love the Dionys goat milk body lotion. This one is white jasmine and shea. So they're sealed. I'm not gonna open them yet because I just keep these on hand when one wears out, or then I grab another one. So I keep these in the drawer by my bed. So at night I put these on, or in the morning, both. Also keep them some in my purse. So these come in handy. So I picked those up when they were on a decent sale price. The next thing I got is from the Balm Cosmetics. I don't talk a lot about the Balm. I used to love it. It used to be one of my favorites. I just haven't gravitated a lot to it more recently, even though I still love it. I did just get if you've seen, it was from the EyeScream Beauty box. I got a primer from the Balm that I absolutely love. In fact, I wore it. I have it on today. It's probably the most silky smooth primer I've ever put on. So anyway, it's kind of cool. But this is just in concealer. I think it was probably another, under $5 product. And it's a sample size, but oops, it's kind of runny. Dang it. I got too much on my hand, but anyway, there it is right there. And rub it in. Oh, it feels pretty good. So I think it's going to be the right color for me for like an under eye concealer. Yeah, I like it. It's good. The little bit, it comes out quite liquidy, and then it gets a little bit sticky, but that just means it has staying power. Okay, it says it has 24-hour moisturization with it. So anyway, that's a cool, especially if you're dry, have dryness there, it will help. So that was the second thing I got from the Ipsy. And the third thing I got, I'm super excited. This was my favorite eyeliner that I've gotten, I think, ever, or in over a year. I love it so much. And I got one of these in a BoxyCharm just a few months ago. I don't know how, it wasn't that long ago actually. And I've been using it a lot. I do happen to have this on right now. It has like a flat tip, so you can go flat on your eyes. Then you can also bring it up, and you can fine, if you want to do fine, strokes, you can do that too. So anyway, I have a backup, so I'm excited. And I did get it because it was, on sale, and I know I love it, so I wanted a backup. So there's that product. And then I picked up an eyeshadow palette. I don't remember how much this was, but it had to have been cheap, because I usually don't get an eyeshadow palette unless it's really inexpensive. So I'm thinking it was under $10, but it's It's from IBY, and IBY Beauty. And here it is. It's kind of pretty. Now I'm going to show you inside. There you go. Now I happen to have this on today. I did a real simple look. So this is, it's very simple, light, kind of simple. But I used, let's see, I used this, you know, these ones up here, this little area. I used all these kind of together, blended them, and I really, really like it. There's some other fun colors. There's some fun blues in here, bluish, purple. There's purple, pink. This white one right here is gorgeous. Now, I thought it was going to be a matte, but it kind of ends up looking like a shimmer. So it's a real pretty white, and I love whites. I want to, I wish I could make a white palette myself, because I have looked and looked for good palettes with just like whites or light colors, and I can't find one. So let me know if you guys know of one. I'd probably pick it up, but I do like light colors, and this one right here is so pretty. This gold one here is really pretty gold. And then we've got pink down here. That's real pretty right down here. And so anyway, this is kind of wild, this green. That's crazy. So anyway, it's a fun palette. So I'm not sure if it's still in the shop, but anyway, so I picked that up. Then the next thing, crazy here, I'm going to go to something I got from Tarte. And you guys, I really don't remember. I've gotten so many things from Tarte lately. I think this was a bargain sale. I'll post it if I can find out. I didn't find out before how much I spent on this, but it's a dual palette. This has got a face palette and an eye palette. I love Tarte makeup. I have too much. I have way too much. It's ridiculous, but I love it. I could easily do several full makeup looks using different products from Tarte. So this right here, it's packaged pretty too, and I like that. You know, I'm a girl who likes packaging. So let's get it out. Let's see here what we got. Okay, I don't know which one I'm opening first, but one's a face palette, one's an eyeshadow, and this is the eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. It's my colors. It's perfectly my colors. So there we go. It's fun, and I like that it matches the cheek palette. So if you know, it's also a fun, I always talk about traveling, but makeup to me is a big deal when I travel. I like to pack, you know, have a set that's cute and kind of compact. So, oh, okay. I am loving this. This is so my colors. And these are creamy, which I like. So here we go. I'm gonna do, there's the highlighter, I'm not so sure about. The blush looks great. And then the bronzer. Okay, yeah, the highlighter is just not doing it for me. I don't know if you can even see it. Yeah, I guess you can. So you see the bronzer, blush, and then the highlighter kind of on the inside. You can see it a little bit. So there's that. And so this is my Tarte, my fun little Tarte purchase. So always happy with Tarte. And I probably knew those were my colors, so I wanted, you know, that helped me to make that purchase. So there's that. The next thing I have is, there is one more thing I got from Ipsy, and this is by Row. Okay, we just got a buy row product in, I just filmed a ALLURE box, and anyway, they're a very bougie brand, and I'm learning to love them. And one of the reasons why is because of this product right here. I happen to have this. This is the best face oil I've ever used, ever. I will swear by it. It's like a holy grail for me. I finish my skincare off with this. I have one. It's about half. It's a half full still, but this one is my backup. So I'm excited. Now they had this, I think, on this sale for like $18. And I just kept passing it up because even though I love it, I don't know. Sometimes I pass things up to see if it'll go down. And then they had another sale with it when it was just $12. So that's when I snatched it. So I got this for $12, and I'll post a, price on this. I know it's a lot because it's a very bougie product. So anyway, I'm excited to have that as a backup. So that was part of my Ipsy, one of the Ipsy things I got. Okay, so I have 2 more items here. I have 3 more items from Amazon. I just got a small micellar water. I love this Garnier micellar water, and I kind of wanted a smaller one. Again, to travel or whatever with, but it's just easier to manage. So I got that at Amazon. And also at Amazon, I'm going to tell you, I just love spray deodorants. So Dove had like my favorite spray deodorant, and they went and they I don't know what you call it. They work these so they're healthier. It's a healthier spray deodorant. It says it has 0% aluminum salts, and it's got 2 times action zinc complex. It's invisible, and it doesn't, this one, they don't say what the scent is. I think it said when I bought it, but this is just kind of a real, kind of a floral fit smell. I love this deodorant. It's like my favorite. Fortunately, I don't usually have too much of a odor problem or sweating problem, but maybe it's because I have great deodorant. Who knows? But anyway, I like this. I get them in a 6-pack, and so I can list. I'm going to list all these products below so you can see what they are. So the last thing I have here is from Target. I heard a lot of things about this, so I went ahead and picked it up. It's from Mix Bar. It's a perfume, and it is, let's see what they call it. It's salt petals. Is that what it's called? Salt petals. And the scents in it is what sounded really good to me. I can't remember all the scents, but it does smell really good. The problem with it is it's not lasting. I'm an expensive perfume girl. I like perfumes that last. But I did want to try this. This was kind of fun. So I already have like 2 other perfumes on right now. So because of trying things on, but it does smell really good. So anyway, there's that. So, and I can, like I said, I'll put links down below for these things. So this perfume, I believe, was $20. So anyway, and they have other ones too from Mix Bar. I just happen to like what that one sounded like. So anyway, that's it for today. Here's the items that I have tried. Oh, no, it's not it. Okay, I have the eyebrow on, and I have this palette, this eyeshadow palette. But I also got, who I love, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This was a little kit that Ipsy had on sale. I can't remember what it was. I don't know if it was like 12 bucks or something. But anyway, it has an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, and a lip pencil. And I happened to put on the lipstick and the lip pencil today. So here's the lip pencil. Now, it had a really sharp end, and it actually broke which was kind of a bummer when I was putting it on. So I did sharpen it once, but it goes on really smooth and it has staying power. I love it. And the lipstick right here, what I have on, I don't have any, I didn't do any gloss or anything with it. So I happen to have one right here I got in my BoxyCharm. Let me try this over it. There it is with the gloss. So that's that. And then it also in here is Soft Glam 2 from Anastasia. It's just the eyeshadow palette. Great colors for me. I love it. So once again, we've got a little kit here that you can throw in your purse. So there's that, the lips and eyes. So anyway, that was really fun. So, and last time I looked, it was still, I think it was still in the shop. So, but I always just tips. Some things, you know, you don't want to pass up if it, you know, not everything stays a long time in there, but I watch things too that are there, that you see there, that you kind of eye, but you don't want to pay the full price or whatever. So you know, if you keep watching it, sometimes their prices will go down. So, but then I've seen them go right back up too. So it depends. I'm not sure exactly how they do their sales. It's a little bit unpredictable, but that's it. So yeah, here's my fun box of goodies, lotions, makeup kits, eyeshadow palettes. So anyway, that was fun. That was just some things I purchased in June. I know it's July now, but they've been sitting there waiting. I just got a couple of things actually a couple of days ago, but anyway, those are just some recent purchases, odds and ends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for being here, guys. And let me know what you think. Did you have a favorite product? Are you going to run and grab any of these? Anyway, so like I said, I'll put links down below for these items. And I don't know if I'll be able to have, if they're available. Like my Ipsy ones, we'll see. I don't know if they're all going to be available. But that's it. So thank you for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.